Hello there and a big welcome to the channel. I hope you're keeping safe and well. Well, my name is Terry and I've been working in and around studios for about 20 years now, both in large studios but now in a home studio. This channel really is here to serve you, so please, I'd love to hear your comments and also I'd love to hear your questions. But finally, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click that bell icon because there is more content coming. Okay, so in this video we're going to be looking at Steven Slate's Overloud plugin. So I've been sent a number of guitar tracks for this item called Clean. So these have been recorded in isolation with basic recording equipment. So here we go. So this is the basic tracks. So I like to get all my guitars together. Everything's been color coded. My color of choice is green for guitars. Okay, so I'm just going to reset everything, pan everything up the middle, just so you get a better sense of what the amp is going to be doing. Okay, so these are the tracks in isolation before any processing. Okay, so my first amp of choice was just this Fender amp. I think the guitar is a Telecaster that's being played. Just felt right for this particular guitar piece. Slightly different now. I like to put just different amps on. It just gives a little bit of sense of space and width when I pan left and right. So that's a Fender Twin. So here's the difference. Let's have a quick listen. Okay, now for the next track, let's have a look what I've done here. Really, I think, to be honest, I just used a preset on this and it seemed to work really well. Okay, this is with it on. Okay, next amp of choice is what looks like a Marshall amp. Okay, without. Okay, let's turn this thing on. Okay, now for the final amps. Now, in the church, the guys play through an orange amp. That's what they play through all the time, so I thought it just apt just to use this sim. Okay, this is with it off. Just trying to look for a speaker for this. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's see what it sounds like. Okay, now for this final amp, I think I could use an orange again. Okay, for this final amp I've used an orange again. Let's turn it on now and see what it sounds like. Okay, so let's solo up all these guitars and see what it sounds like, and just put some basic panning in place, and hopefully you will see that, yeah, really good plugin from Stephen Slate, this Overloud. I have got UAD's Fender amp as well, and you know, Logic amps are really good as well. I use those as well, but on this occasion I wanted to use the amps from Stephen Slate. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. In effect, the guitars have got excellent pedal boards, but they've, you know, in reality just plugged from the pedal board straight into the interface. So hopefully Reamping has given these guitar tracks a much needed boost. Just turn off these effects and you get a true sense of what the amps are doing. Video soon coming will be on EQing these guitars and also the effects processing, reverb and delay.